Hello, and welcome to one of the world's great intellectual powerhouses, the University of Chicago. This walking tour is brought to you by pgadmit.com, your personal guide to finding your dream university. Nestled in the historic Hyde Park neighborhood just a few miles south of downtown Chicago, this campus is more than just a collection of beautiful buildings. It's a vibrant ecosystem of ideas, where challenging the conventional isn't just encouraged, it's expected. UChicago was designed from the ground up to be a premier research institution, and that DNA of intense inquiry and discovery is felt everywhere. So, let's begin our journey at the heart of it all. The architecture is collegiate Gothic, modeled after the legendary universities of Oxford and Cambridge. The idea was to create a space that felt instantly historic and scholarly, a city within its city, dedicated to learning. Unlike other universities with a checklist of general education requirements, the core is a shared intellectual journey that every single undergraduate takes. For the first 2 years, students are in small discussion based classes exploring the foundational texts of Western and Eastern civilizations, from Plato to Freud, from quantum mechanics to art history. It's designed to teach not what to think, but how to think, critically and rigorously. This is a campus that has been home to 99 Nobel laureates, from economist Milton Friedman to novelist Saul Bellow. But life at UChicago isn't all serious study. The Student Union is the hub for over 450 registered student organizations or RSOs. Whatever a student's passion, robotics, a cappella, political debate, improvisational comedy, they will find their community here. UChicago is famous for its quirky traditions, none more so than the annual Scavenger Hunt. It's the world's largest scavenger hunt, a 4-day marathon of creativity, engineering, and sheer absurdity that completely takes over the campus. It's the perfect example of the university's work hard, play hard ethos. The University of Chicago's intellectual community is not confined by borders. It is a truly global campus. International students make up about 17% of the undergraduate population and nearly 35% of the graduate student body, representing over 100 countries. The university provides robust support to ensure their success. The Office of International Affairs is a one stop resource for everything from visa and immigration, advising to navigating life in the US. They run orientation programs like Global Compass specifically to help international students acclimate to the academic and social culture of UChicago. Crucially, UChicago is one of the few elite universities in the United States that is need blind for domestic students and meets 100% of demonstrated need for all admitted undergraduates, including international students. They offer generous financial aid packages, ensuring that a UChicago education is accessible to talented students from every corner of the world. The university's emphasis on universal ideas and Socratic debate makes it a natural home for students with diverse perspectives and global backgrounds. From its historic quads to its futuristic libraries, the University of Chicago offers an education unlike any other. It's a place that will challenge, push, and ultimately empower students to lead a life of impact and inquiry. It's more than just a university, it's an invitation to join a timeless conversation. We hope this tour has provided a glimpse into what makes this place so special. Finding the right university is a huge decision, but you don't have to do it alone. This tour was brought to you by our friends at pgadmit.com. As your personal guide to finding your dream university, they offer expert advice, application support, and personalized strategies to help you navigate your journey to higher education, wherever in the world that may be.